traditional manufacturing companies who do not have too much insight into their processes do not add much value into the modern digital world. In our experience, we see more and more companies adapting their business models by incorporating data-driven decision-making in order to be more efficient and profitable.
Statistics show that still 1 in 3 aerospace companies are still offline, and only 41% of the companies have digital interfaces with their customers. A lot of companies do think about digitalization, but don't really act upon it.
The issue then is whether or not digitization benefits manufacturing. It's rather how you deploy the solution to get the maximum out of that into your specific business. A lot of manufacturers are skeptical about taking this digital journey because of lack of readiness and lack of competence and uncertainties when it comes to ROIs and scalability.
It's important, more than ever, to start making sense of data in those critical areas, which can enhance efficiency within the operations, so that businesses can find their version of gold dust by leveraging the underlying digital potential.
This brings us to the fact that change is inevitable, and it is even more scarier than it sounds, especially within the manufacturing arena. The current pandemic has definitely created a sense of urgency, which brings transformation and change, in this case, which is digital.
One way to give rhythm and pace to the digitalization in your operations is to start with IoT technologies. You will be able to collect, visualize, and analyze data in a very simple way and define measurable actions so you can improve quality, deliveries, lead times, scheduling, and more.
We have the similar experience, and now we are ready to share our experiences and leverage our partner network in order to bring speed and agility into your business.